Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video will be unboxing and review the DESFLOW Bluetooth FM transmitter charger. In the box, you'll get a user manual and the DESFLOW Bluetooth FM transmitter charger. If you have been struggling for a while to figure out how to play music from the old car that does not have a working antenna, DESFLOW Bluetooth FM transmitter is great for you to be able to play music from your phones or other Bluetooth device. You can play your favorite music whenever you want, such as drive with your windows down and enjoy music on the way. Easy to set up. Simply plug DESFLOW FM smart transmitter into your car's cigarette lighter, choose a car's empty FM frequency, from 87.5 to 108 MHz, and tune the FM transmitter into the same frequency. It will automatically transform your car into smart modes and then connect to phone Bluetooth.
Bluetooth connection success.
With hands-free calls and Siri voice assistant, DESFLOW wireless FM smart transmitter use noise cancellation technology for clear hands-free calls, just by pressing the calling button to initiate Siri voice assistant. With 3.0 QC technology and PD Type-C, DESFLOW wireless FM smart transmitter charges your smart devices so fast that you can get 80% in 30 minutes. Another USB port is designed for normal charging and U-disc reading. Enjoy 3 types of playing music with 7 colorful backlit. DESFLOW wireless FM smart transmitter integrates A2DP and DSP technology to provide your crystal clear voice and hi-fi music. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.